how to check Facebook video views. So first of all, open your Facebook, make sure that you are logged into your account, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. After doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you can see I have uploaded a video, but I cannot see my views in it. So in order to see your views, you have to make sure that your pro mode is turned on. In order to do that, tap on the three-dot bar on the top right corner right here. After doing that, you can see turn on pro mode, tap on it, then tap on update your profile. After doing that, select your default audience, then tap on next. Tap on confirm, and in here, select your category. After selecting it, tap on next. And here you can see we have successfully turned on our pro mode. Tap on go to your dashboard, then tap on get started. After doing that, you can now go back. And in here, you'll have to now refresh your profile. Then if you scroll down a bit, now you can see the option of see insights. All you need to do is tap on this option. And in here, you can see your video views right here. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.